Hashtags. I'm here to talk about hashtags. Now, I know we're supposed to be running around talking about the NAR settlement and all this, but with the NAR settlement, what we're looking at is an opportunity. It's an opportunity to reach out to our database and communicate with them at a very high level because there's a lot of misinformation going around. I open up these social media channels and I see these people yelling and screaming about how real estate agents need to go and work at McDonald's, which quite honestly, I think some of us need to. So my name's Alex. I'm with eXp Realty, and I've become somewhat of an expert at KvCORE. I feel like I only know a small amount, but when I talk to other agents, I realize I know quite a bit about it. One of the biggest blocks agents have when they start using the database is where is their database coming from? And I've had several discussions. I've been doing free Friday trainings. It's a 90-minute training. You can join me on Zoom or in person in Roseville, California in the office. And we sit down and we just talk about what your biggest blocks are. And the biggest block for most agents right now, once they learn how to log into the system, is where is my database coming from? And that's where this discussion of hashtags come up. Hashtags are important in the system because it organizes your database. Now, a lot of people think of hashtags as social media tagging and this sort of thing. But within KvCORE, you can micro-organize your database through hashtags. In fact, when you do marketing campaigns within KvCORE for squeeze pages or property boosts or open houses or whatever they are, these hashtags are automatically assigned. They add to your hashtags within your database. So let's jump in and take a look. I am in the marketing tab and I'm going down to hashtag and I'm going to view my hashtags. Now I have about 2,300 contacts in my database and it grows every day because I have new leads coming in. So every day I have new hashtags added, and so they change and I go in and organize and make sure they're in the right categories. But these are my hashtags here. This is my smart number. So I have subscribed to the smart number through KvCORE. And so I have 10 that I haven't organized out of the smart number into a different category. I have no idea what this one is. This is a listing I have on Sunnybrook. I have 2 leads in it. It should be more like 200 because I have so many leads that have come in through Facebook. It's kind of a long story. Pinecrest was another listing I had. Stonefield, the list goes on. I had a listing up in Chico, California. I had the leads come in from that. I created a hashtag for active buyers. Within my database, I have 786 leads I've determined are active buyers. And so I created a special hashtag for them so I can communicate directly to them with specific messaging. I go through, I could name them all, but you kind of get the idea. This Commissions Inc. was a CRM platform I was using, and then I switched over to KvCORE, so I had 144 leads in it. I get client referrals, cloud CMAs. I send out cloud CMAs through MetroList to different clients, and every time I do, I note that I sent it out, and I had 17 go out. You can see Craigslist. Different things I've had. My original Dyer database that I imported was 165. So you guys get the gist of what I'm talking about. So when you import your leads into KvCORE, don't do what I did. I put them all into one database. I uploaded them all as new leads. And as soon as I did that, a smart campaign triggered and they were all instantly put on a new lead smart campaign. You don't want to do that. You don't. You want to download your database in specific categories using hashtags. That way, when you upload them, they're already kind of organized. What I ultimately had to do with my 165, which turned out to be more like 500, is I had to go into each individual lead and sort it. Additionally, I use a Mac. So additionally on the Mac, you can go in and you can create smart groups within your iContacts so that you can download those iContacts in smaller groups. And that's something I recommend you do. The other, if you're using an Android device, or you're using Google Contacts, you can do the same thing with those. My point to all this is the more that you micro sort your database before you upload it, the more operable data you're going to have and the quicker you'll get up and running. So I hope this is helpful to you. It's something that I've discovered over my 2+ year journey using the platform. This homework that you do up front, this pre-program you do up front, is going to save you a lot of time and frustration once you get up and running with the platform. So if you want more help with this, you can join my free Friday sessions. I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to do them. I'm just trying to get a sense of where I really need to focus my next class on. But you can join me on those sessions. If you're looking for specific help, full setup, whatever it is, I have those services available to you. So just hit me up. So I hope you found this content helpful. I look forward to your comments, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you.